Hi dear Taurus, how are you guys doing? I hope you are doing really well in your life. So this is a general love reading for Taurus and this is for the remaining days of January 2021. So let's quickly see what you and your partner feel about each other. So right now your partner's energy is King of Cups. They are so much in love, Taurus. They love you very much. They are in this energy of loving you, seeing you as their princess, as their queen, and they want to offer you something very good. Offer this cup of love to you, but right now this is the energy. Let's see quickly what your energy is. Your energy is Two of Swords. Maybe Taurus, you are confused between two partners or two situations, or maybe you are not able to decide whether you want this person in your life or not. Maybe there is some kind of things going on behind the scene that you are not able to see right now, or maybe you know that thing but still you are not able to make a decision right now whether to go with this person, whether to go with this love, to wait for this person, or should you just move on from this situation. Right now your partner is in love. They are in love, no doubt about this, but you are on the crossroads, Taurus. You are not able to understand what you should do about this thing. Okay, so how they see you? They see you as this Six of Cups, lots of love. They might be this person is watching over you from past maybe 1 year or 6-7 months or whatever it is, the time frame it is. They are very nostalgic about you. They are having very happy and beautiful and sweet memories with you. They are creating memories with you, and these memories are not making him sleep, these him or her sleep. These memories are making him miss you a lot. They are on the verge of breaking down. Maybe they are on the verge of saying something to you, but they are not saying it to you. I don't know why. Maybe there's some kind of problem going on. And how you see them? You see them as a star. You see them as, yes, this is the right person for me. They are very positive. They are very grounded, very down to earth, and they know how to control the emotions. They know how to deal with the situations. This is a very mature person, and you are loving them as well. Maybe you are not that much in love with them right now, but in the future you will be, because you see them as the star of your eyes, as the star of your galaxy. Okay, so what he feels what he feels is a Five of Swords energy. Maybe you guys are having some kind of conflict, maybe battle going on within yourself or within the two of you. Maybe it can be a verbal battle as well. It can be a within inner battle as well. And he is feeling like, yes, he won this battle, but trust me, this battle is not over yet. This battle is some kind of energy that I'm picking, is that this person felt like, no, they don't want this relationship. They told you some boundaries, some rules and regulations, and they are feeling like, yes, I got it, they got it, and I won this situation. But no, deep down they know this is not working out for this with this particular person, with you. So they are feeling maybe they won the argument, they won the situation right now, but deep down they know this is not going to work out like this. Okay, so what you feel about them is you're waiting. See, you're waiting for something to happen. You're waiting for them to express their feelings. You are waiting for them to tell you something that they really feel, but they are not going to tell you very easily. This is going to take time, Taurus. If you want to wait on this person, you have to be very patient about this person in future as well. Okay, what they want from this relationship? What they want from this relationship is the Seven of Pentacles energy. They are what I feel is they're working on this relationship. They don't want you to let go. They don't want you to leave you. They don't want you to leave, okay, this relationship or this particular person. They are waiting for something to happen. They are waiting for the right time, maybe. Okay, so they are waiting for the right time. And what you want from this relationship is, this is the Eight of Wands energy. So you're standing your own ground. They're waiting for the right time to act on this particular relationship, and you are in this energy of Eight of Wands, Seven of Wands. So you are like standing your own ground. You have said something in the past. You have expressed your feelings. You have did everything that you could do, and now you are standing your own ground. You made some boundaries, maybe you made some decision, and you are stuck on this decision, and you are not moving anyway. You are not going anywhere. You are not taking any kind of decision. You are just standing your own ground. You have took a decision and you're standing on it right now, maybe. Okay, And what is the outcome from their side? This is the Five of Cups energy. They are so much in love with you, Taurus, but they are denying this relationship. They are not maybe opening up to you. They are not able to make a decision with you or to see a future with you. Although they love you, but still they are feeling like walking away from this situation. They are feeling like leaving you behind and walking away, because there is some kind of situation that they are dealing with right now. It can be, financial problem, their career, their family, or it can be a person from the past as well, that they have to leave before they come to you. So this is the situation right now. They are not taking this love, although they love you a lot. They are not taking the decision of staying with you. On the other hand, the outcome from your side is the Two of Cups. So it is kind of spiritual connection. You can feel that this is a spiritual connection. You both can feel it, that this is a spiritual connection, and this is going to take you to heights that you never see. Okay, this relationship is very spiritual, very beautiful, very kind-hearted, very stable emotionally and physically as well. I can see there is passion as well. But right now, this relationship is on a hold, maybe from their side. You are Taurus, you are, what I can say is, I'm not getting the exact word, Taurus, but you are sure about this relationship. They are not. Although they love you, but they are holding back. They are not showing you their true emotions, their true feelings, and they are like, okay, I will take some time. I will take the time to, build this relationship into something deeper and deeper and deeper. Then I will say something to the Taurus. This is what is happening. And on the other hand, you are wearing your heart on your sleeves, and you have decided, yes, this is my person. This is the person I want to be with. And you want a spiritual connection. You want a, happily ever after with this person. But I don't think this is happening in this January thing. So don't worry. Don't lose hope. This is the matter of few days, I think, but this person loves you, so someday they will keep running to you. Okay, come back running to you. Don't worry about this. So the lesson for this is the Wheel of Fortune. So you just have to trust the destiny, trust the universe right now. You don't have to take any action, Taurus. Just stay still, trust the destiny, and the Wheel of Fortune will take you whatever is good for you, wherever you want to go. The Wheel of Fortune is letting you, to the places, making you meet people who are good for you, or maybe this person, whatever is happening with you right now in this relationship with this particular person, this is destined, and this was supposed to be the way it is happening. So please keep patience, please have some patience. Okay, opportunity for growth is again the Five of Pentacles. You both are on the same page. See, there are two people out here. You both are on the same page. You both know that you both love each other. You both know that yes, this is the relationship that we want in our life. But right now you both are like maybe in the condition of walking away from this relationship, or maybe not, letting each other know, or maybe not expressing your feelings, or whatever it is. But you both are on the same page. You both are feeling the same feelings. You are mirroring each other, and you are like, okay, right now this is not the right time to take a decision for this particular relationship. Okay, things to let go of is the Eight of Swords. Don't put yourself in mental jail or emotional jail or some kind of, you both are feeling the same. I can see that you both are mirroring each other, and you both are feeling like you are stuck somewhere in your mind, in your emotions or bondage. You guys are feeling like, okay, although we love each other, although this is a connection that is made in heaven or spiritual or whatever you can say, still you guys are feeling like stuck somewhere, or you guys are feeling like, no, this is not working out, or I should leave this, or I should leave that. Don't be in a hurry. Don't make yourself so much, into this emotional trauma or emotional imbalance. Just go with the flow. This is a very beautiful union. This is going to be a very, very good relationship in the future. So you have to hold on. Okay, and the guidance from the universe is the Hermit. The Hermit is kind of energy. Look into yourself for answers. Don't go outside. Don't make mess. Don't fight with this person. Don't pressurize them. Don't make them pressurize you to do anything, right? So it is the kind of energy right now in January. You just have to look within yourself. You have to be the hermit of yours, and you have to work on the spiritual aspects of your life. So the more you look into yourself, the more you detach from this particular person or relationship for a while, the more you will get clarity about this relationship and this energy of getting stuck. So, Taurus, this is all about your relationship in the remaining month of January 2021. I hope you like it, and if you do, please let me in the comment section below. Thank you so much for listening to me. Do subscribe to my channel. God bless you. Namaste.